Hello everyone, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Rohit and I'm the Knowledge Manager at OnceHub. Today in this tutorial, we're going to learn about how we can cancel an already booked appointment. To begin with, we'll first log into our account. Once we have logged in, we'll be presented with the home screen of our OnceHub account. From here, we can click on Activities on the left. Once we click on Activities, we'll be presented with all the meetings and engagements that have been done on our account. To cancel an existing appointment, select the relevant appointment, click on the cancel option that is presented here, provide a cancellation reason, and then hit cancel the meeting option that is highlighted in blue. As soon as we do that, the meeting is cancelled, and that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a great day ahead.